Vedic Max book, first trick in Max era Vedic Max. So today our new concept is that addition, and in addition the triple plus triple digits sums. Okay, so welcome back to your channel, my Vedic Max book. So today our new concept is that how to solve triple plus triple digit without using a pen or a paper, only by your brain power. Okay, within 2 to 3 seconds. Disclaimer: first, I recommended that if you forgot to subscribe our channel, then subscribe to our channel, my Vedic Max book, for the more method to solve the triple plus triple digits. Okay. So first we have to revise our last lecture. Okay. So what is our last lecture? Our last topic is that how to solve double plus double digit in a higher concept. Okay. For a better explanation, here one example is taken. 47 plus 86. So first you want to add 4 plus 8, the answer comes 12, but here you want to write 13. Why 13? Because you want to see the AND numbers. Here the AND number is given 7 and 6, so the answer of AND number is 3. So carry 1 in the 10th place. Okay, so answer is 13. Now you receive here two numbers 13 and 3. Now combining with the both numbers, you receive your digit 133. 133 is your final answer. Okay, this is the magic of the Vedic Max. So today another higher concept where you got non-carry numbers. Okay, non-carry numbers means a direct solution. First, non-carry numbers. For the better explanation, here we have to take one more example. 324 plus 157. Okay. Now here you want to see the 100 place, 10th place, or a unit place. Okay. Both sides you want to see the same thing. Now first add the 100 place. 3 plus 1, answers come 4. Now 10th place. 2 plus 5, the answers come 7. The unit place, 4 plus 2, the answers come 6. Okay. So in a Vedic Max, we have to solve left to right. Okay, means here to here within a simple method. In a simple max, you want to solve here to here, means right to left. Okay, in a Vedic Max, you have to solve left to right, or a simple max you want to solve right to left. Okay, so your answer is 476, final answer. So today our another higher concept where we got a non-carry numbers. For example, 432 plus 241. Okay, you want to solve this kind of solve in a few seconds. Okay, for example, 432 plus 241. Here you want to see the 100 place. 4 plus 2, the answers come 6. 4 plus, now you want to see the 10th place. Okay, 4 plus 3, the answers come 7. Now 2 plus 1, the answers come 3. Means the answer is 673 is the final answer. Okay. In this question, there are given non-carry questions. Okay, non-carry question which you can solve easily. But now the carry numbers was given. What you want to do when the carry numbers are mentioned? For example, let's see a carry numbers example. 458 plus 374. Okay, here only same only, but some little man different was here. Okay, first you want to add, see the 100 place number. Okay, 100 place number, 4 plus 3, the answers come 7. Here you have to write 7. Then you want to see the 10th place number at the both side, means 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is the highest digit. Okay, so the carry numbers are available here. So you want to add plus 1 here. The answers come 8. Okay, now you want to see 5 plus 7. The end number of 5 plus 7 is 13. Okay, so here you have to write 3, not 13. Then you want to see a last number. Okay, and a number 8 and 4. The end number of 8 and 4, 8, 12. The answer comes 12. So do plus 1 here. So the answer is 84. 84. Now the AND number of 8 and 4. The answer comes 2. Means your final answer is 842. Okay, 842 is your final answer. Now you can say that 458 plus 374. The answer is 832. Okay. So today another IS concept where we have to get non-carry numbers. Okay. So next I explain you in detail or a steps. In this here you receive 3 steps. Question number 1. 567 plus 298 step 1. Okay. So here you want to see 5 and 2. The answers come 7. But you want to write 8. Why 8? Because you want to see the next place. Means the 10th place. There was a carry number was given. So plus 1. 7 plus 1. 8. You want to remember 8. Okay. Now step 2. You want to see the 10th number. 6 and 9 is given. Okay. 10th place. In the 10th place the number is given 6 and 9. Okay. 6 and 9. The end number of 6 and 9. Answers come 5. Okay, but here you have to write 6. Why 6? Because you want to see the next place number. There was a carry number. See carefully. Now the end number of 7 and 8 is 5. Okay, so you receive here 3 numbers, 8, 6 and 5. Now combining with the these three both numbers, the answers come 865. Means the answer of 567 plus 298 is 865. Okay. Now here you want to do addition in one step in a 1 to 2 seconds. Okay. So here a final approach 687 plus 593. Okay. You want to add here carefully. Now here you want to see the 100 place in a both side. Okay, 6 and 5, the answers come 11. And now you want to see the 10th place. Okay, the carry number was here, so add plus 1 and here become 12. Okay, now the end number of 8 and 9, the answers come 7. Okay, the end number of 8 and 9, the answers come 7, not 17. Okay, you want to see carefully. Okay, you have to learn the end numbers. The end number of 8 and 9 is 7. Now you want to see a next number, a unit number, 7 plus 3. Okay, now the end number of 7 plus 3 is, the answer comes 10. Okay, so here you have to do plus 1 means 8. Now your final answer like this. Okay, now your final answer like this, 1280 is your final answer. Okay, you have to solve in your mind, not in your hand. So what you learn in this lecture? You learn from this video or a lecture how to solve triple plus triple digit when a non-carry or a carry numbers arrive in this question, and how to solve it by using a Vedic math trick method. And now what you want to learn in the next lecture. Okay, next live lecture. So in the next live lecture you want to learn that how to solve a lengthy addition. For example, 75689 plus 17864 in a few seconds. So be here or next video for understanding this method. So for your practice sums, here the question is given. You have to give all answers in a chat section within a 5 to 10 seconds, because you learn the Vedic maths. 637 plus 285. The question number 2 is 459 plus 284, and the question number 3 is 568 plus 254. So hello friends, and I hope you learn some new methods from this video. Then subscribe to our channel and you learn some new tricks to solve the Vedic maths question, then press the like button. Or upcoming lecture, you have to learn that how to solve or how to learn a new interesting concept. The concept is lengthy addition. In a lengthy addition, if you can understand this method to solve this question, then you solve a million of digit sums in a few seconds. So be here and don't forget to subscribe our channel, My Vedic Maths.